were the star of the ballet show. Anna is so beautiful. Look at her dance.
Roar! I am a big, scary dragon. Stop, dragon. I am the brave knight, Tom. Mom, Dad, look at my drawing. It is a beautiful secret.
Just a minute, Anna. Tom's play is tomorrow. It is very important.
But Dad, I got an A+. I am so happy.
That is great, honey. Please pass me the tape. Tom needs his shield.
You always ignore me. Tom gets everything. Look at me. I am a strong knight.
You look perfect, my little favorite knight.
This is so unfair. You do not love me. I hate this. I will run away. Ouch. Why is Anna crying? No one cares about my drawing. I am invisible. Tom is the favorite. I feel so sad.
Hello there. Can I come in, little artist?
Aunt Lily, my parents ignore me. They only love Tom.
I found your drawing. It is amazing, Anna.
Mom and Dad did not look at it. I am very jealous.
I understand. But let me tell you a story from last year.
You were the star of the ballet show. Anna is so beautiful. Look at her dance.
Mommy, I am thirsty. I want water.
Wait, Tom. Watch your sister. She is amazing.
Wow. Anna is like a princess. Yay! Go, Anna. I love you. This is for you. You are the best. I forgot about that. Tom was not angry.
Parents love you both. Sometimes one person just needs more help.
Maybe I was a little bad today. It is not a secret.
Look down there. I think someone needs you right now.
I must fight the dragon. Oh, I am so scared. Oh no. My sword is broken. This is a disaster. I cannot do the play. Everyone will laugh at me. Tom is crying. I must help my little brother. Hold on, Tom. I am coming down. Do not cry. It is just a broken sword. But I am a knight. A knight needs a sword. Look! I have my magic tape. I will fix it. Wrap it round and round. Wow! Thank you, Anna. You are so brave. But I forgot my words. I am afraid of the stage. I will help you practice. I can be the dragon. Roar! I am a big, scary dragon. Stop, dragon. I am the brave knight, Tom.
Oh, look at them. Anna is helping him. We were so busy. We totally ignored Anna.
You are right. She got an A+, and we said nothing.
Oh no! The great knight defeated me! Yay! I won! I am ready for the play!
That was a great practice, kids.
I will go back to the treehouse now.
No, please stay. I am so sorry, my sweet girl.
Are you sorry? But I yelled at you.
We are sorry we ignored you. This drawing is fantastic.
You are not invisible. We love you so much.
Anna is the best. She fixed my sword. I love you all. I am not jealous anymore.
That is a beautiful family picture.
Family hug. We are a great team.
Parents' love multiplies. It never divides. Communication is key.
We love our family.
Learn English with Slow English Family.